Azizan, and this is my partner Akmal. We are electrical engineering student. We are working on an automatic vibration system project, and we interested in your Arduino rain sensor module. Could we get more information about its specifications?
Good evening, Azizan and Akmal. I'm Haikal, and I'll be pleasure to help you. What are the specific features and capabilities required for your project?
We need it to accurately detect rainfall and integrate smoothly with an Arduino Uno. Specifically, we were interested in its sensitivity, output types, analog or digital, and whether it's corrosion resistant for outdoor use.
Those are excellent questions. The sensor is highly sensitive, allowing for quick detection of even light rainfall. It offers both an analog output for measuring the intensity and digital output.
That sounds promising. Does the module come with a detailed wiring and programming guide or a library for Arduino?
Yes, it does. We provide a comprehensive instruction manual including sample code.
Azizan and Akmal. I am Adib from Technical Support. To ensure this is the best fit for your specific project, can I get some details of your project? Could you say the expected voltage and the required communication for your Arduino Uno setup?
You will be operating it at 5 volt and a simple digital I or O for the trigger signal and an analog pin for intensity reading is what we plan to use.
Okay.
Perfect. To send you the details, technical schematic, and a troubleshooting guide, could I please have your university name and your contact details and address?
Certainly, we are from Politeknik Kota Kinabalu, JKE Department, DEE 1C class, and my email is muhammadizan@gmail.com.
And my email is muhammadakmal@gmail.com.
Thank you for providing those details. I will ensure the technical document are sent right away. We also offer bulk discount for student project. Would you be interested in receiving a code for a set or live sensor?
Yes, absolutely. Please include the student discount in that quotation.
Do you offer any warranty on the corrosion resistant pad?
Do. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty against manufacturing defect and premature corrosion. I will include the warranty statement in the email.
It was a pleasure assisting you both, Azizan and Akmal. Please feel free to call or email if you have any technical difficulties during the project and development.
Thank you, Haikal and Adib. We appreciate the detail and information and the prompt support. We will review the quotation and the documents and will be in touch.
Then, we look forward to hearing from you. Have a productive day. Thanks.